Cantopop duo 2R has opened the new lingerie store Rondavous here at Far East Plaza, and it promises to send temperatures soaring.
它只卖性感内衣，就是普通的都没有。
How sexy is their sexy? Check out the catwalk show during the store's opening. Interested in picking up a piece of sexy hot lingerie? Log on to www.rendezvouslingerie.com for details.